Hey guys, I have the same problem on my system. What you have to do, I will be doing in front of you to fix this issue. So in the first step, we have to just right click here on the start icon, then click on settings. You can also search for it, just type your settings, then click here to open it. Then once we are here, we need to click on, just scroll down on the left side and find out the privacy and security, then simply click on it. Then once we are here, we need to just scroll down and find out the camera from the app permissions. Just click here, and here we need to enable this option, that is camera access. So just enable it. After that, we have to enable this option, the second one, let apps access your camera. So enable it. Once we are here, then we need to find out the particular software or the application the camera is going to be used. So just enable all the options, for example camera, the Microsoft Store settings and etc. After that, we need to enable this one, let desktop apps access your camera. So enable it. After that, just close this window and go here, restart the system. That's it guys, your problem will be solved and you're good to go. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.